The idea behind the program is for you to develop a uniform approach towards weight loss and also healthy endurance during exercising. This program's main aim is to reduce excesses in the body, like excess fat, but not healthy and slim muscle tissues and important body fluids, which are very vital. This program initially needs your dedication and focus, hence you have to be equipped in both the mind and the body. It is advised that first go to the doctor for a routine checkup prior to taking up weight loss programs. It is needed that whenever starting on weight loss programs, you have to be sure enough to work towards the results. Many people tend to get impatient, but long-term results are guaranteed so long as one maintains to the plan devised for them, taking into consideration their body condition and needs. Try to stretch a lot prior to doing the exercises and also working out. Some stretching is mandatory so that you avoid any kind of injury in the body. It is not advised for anybody to try very hard. All things must be done in correct levels. Know the level of training and exercise that will suit you best. It has to be correct enough to be comfortable with, but not too easy so that it won't be a challenge. In the first week, first few days in the program needs long and steady walks for about 20 minutes. After walking, try to follow up stretching. This only takes little of the time in the first few days. Less than an hour or so you will have taken the first steps for any weight loss program, which can work to your benefit. In the second day, it's better to think about upper body workouts. This will maintain the strength to proceed with program for a whole week. And on third day, a bright jog or walk for about 10 minutes is required. For newcomers, lower body workouts must be taken up in evening time. How to lose weight with the right food. By the fourth day, good rest is required, along with a nice long stretch. The lag time must be used properly to correct out negative thoughts in your mind. Start fifth day with a brisk 10-minute of walk. Do exercises for the lower body in about 4 workout sessions, then take another walk for 10 minutes, and do another round of 4 sessions workout for lower body. The 6th day must be spent for less tough exercises like swimming. In order to get rid of boredom, do try anything new. The 7th day is the time to get the support of people you tend to care about. Do spend some time for them or bring them with you for the long walk. Also, do light upper body workouts after the walk so that you don't lose the warm-up. This is only the start. By the initial week, if can to stick with the program, then you have a chance to boost the weight loss and also stay according to the plan till you reach the desired result. Do try not to be like some people who tend to give up easily because they can't see the end result in the time frame they hope, like this instant, today. Patience is the most important virtue. Think about how much your body will go through to remove all the fat.